Hey y'all, it's Yvette, and I have a couple of button bags to open for you guys. And I have one that was shipped in March and one that I just received. It says it was shipped June 1st. That's probably right. I probably did get it sometime like mid-June or something like that. So let's open the first one. And this is just another button club. And they used to have two different options, and now they just have the one option. So the only option is to just get the little tin. So that's what I have. And let's take a look. This is the one from March. And on the back, it says, "Be Happy." So this is the Button Lovers Club of 2022. And so the theme is probably going to be bees. That's what I'm thinking. And so a great thing that they've started doing again, which they were doing in the beginning, I think, was they were giving like a cross stitch pattern, and you could do the pattern and then take the buttons, whichever ones you wanted, or you could do the ones that they suggested that you use in certain spots and put them on your cross stitch. And then they had stopped that for a bit, and I know I was always saying I really liked whenever they gave us that option, because it's just, the cross stitch was always very, very simple, and you could just, whip it up pretty quick and pop your buttons on and then hang it somewhere. And it was a really great idea of something to do with your buttons. If you love buttons but needed a little inspiration. So they started doing that again. They email us the pattern, and I've been really happy. I haven't done it yet. I was like, what am I touching? It's my presser foot on my gas pedal on the machine. And so anyways, I'm very happy that they're doing that. So let's go in our little buttons and see what we have. This is one of them. Now, there are a lot of buttons that are not really themed. They're just sort of like, they're going to go along with the colors. So the colors in here are purple and yellow. And, ooh, we have a little beehive, which is cute. And we have, let me try to hold him right. He's little. A little bee. It's very cute. And we have, ooh, this is cute. It's a little flower. And they are very little. Let's see. Here's one of the decorative yellows. And so they'll give us like a square. This one has a little ripply design in it. You can see that. There you go. It's kind of cute. And trying to see if there are anything, because I have no idea. It used to be that we would kind of get a little hint about what we were going to get. And they give some like this every time too, where it's got a little flower in it. Those are cute. And oh, this must be one. Hold on. This is oh, it's a bigger bee. It must be. There must be a bee, right? Well, I'm having a hard time. Oh, maybe, I don't know. What do y'all think that is? I thought it was a bee, but it doesn't really look like a bee. And then I think it might be a bee though, like this way. I think it's a bee. Let's see. Trying to go through them and see if I'm missing any of the specialty ones. I don't think so. Oh, we have some pink ones in there. I'm telling you guys, I love these. I love them. I don't even, it doesn't even, oh, here's another one. It doesn't even matter. I just love them. It's another of the little flowers. Oops. Getting a little flash there. And okay, and here's one of those little flowery ones in like a lavender. It's It's really pretty. And here's one that's like a cross between pink and lavender. It's got a little bit of a design in there. And then this one is like in the shape of a little flower. Okay, so I think that's, oh, this one is like blue almost, and it's like you can see through it. Like it. Okay, so when you close it up, I love how they have a see-through top so you can see all your little buttons in there, and you can see the colors that you're getting in that one. Okay, so I'm gonna open the other one. This is the one from June. This is the one that I've just recently got. It says that it is called Seaside Summer, and you have a little sticker on the back too. Sometimes hey, how the stickiness gets stuck on your, like, your fingernails. Kind of makes me crazy. Okay, Seaside Summer. That's what it looks like through the looking glass. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is super cute. You saw this one through the glass. It's a little starfish. I would say it's a starfish. That one's cute. I like that. Ooh, a little whale. That's cute. I love that. Ooh, you guys, a little sailboat. I love sailboats. Look how cute that is. Now I see. Oh, this is cute. It's a little flag. And then on the inside here, this one has, oh wait, there's another one. I think this might be like a crab. Look at his little eyeballs on the top. That's so cute. See his little pinchers like going up to his eyes. That's very cute. I like it. Okay. And on the inside we have like some blues. Ooh, another one. It's a starfish. Or no, that sand dollar? I think that's a sand dollar. Sorry, I'm getting all my terms mixed up. That's very cute. So the colors are like blues and like creams. And there's another one, you guys, look. Ooh. Hold on. I'll get it out of there. I'm trying to hold it so you can see it, and I'm like, there's like dust all over it. It's a little like seagull. See? I don't know where you would see him best. On my shirt? On me? Maybe on me, look. We've got a lot of really good ones in this one that I think are super cute. Some little cream colors in there. Blue. Let me start looking in here. So we have one of these guys in the cream, and a whole mess of like little blue ones. And let's see, do we have anything that's sort of different? Well, I really like this one. I think these look like they have like a little, that little sand dollar design in there. And I like that. And ooh, this one is a little different. Actually, I think this is one of those with that, it looks like it's got a design in it. It's not really a design, it's more like it looks wavy. I don't know how else to say it. And here's a little flower, little blue flower. There's actually like some blue-gray ones in here too. Here's a very dark blue, it's flat. There's one that's kind of pretty. It's got like this little design in there. This one is sort of like that, but it's a white one, cream. And here's a square. I love whenever we have the square ones. This one's like a blue-gray. It's really pretty. Okay, that's a really good one. I really like all of the special designs they had in the bottom. And if I remember, y'all, I say I'm gonna do stuff and then I forget to do it whenever I'm making the video. But I'm gonna try to remember to at least show a picture of the pattern that they sent us for cross stitch. If I think they actually show you like a picture of it, so I hope they do. And then I'll show you what they sent to go with these buttons. Be Happy and Seaside Summer. So I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed these Just Another Button Club, Button Lovers Club from 2022. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.